In this video, we will learn about the differences between a deed and a title. I find that when I'm teaching this in class, it does appear to be confusing to some students, so let me explain. Let's compare buying a house to buying a bicycle. Let's say that you decide to pick up the nice, healthy hobby of bicycling. You search stores that sell bicycles, you find one you like, and you purchase the bike. The next day, you meet up with friends and show them your new bike. You're so proud of that bike, it's yours. You took the time to find the perfect one. Since it is yours, you can do whatever you want with that bike. You could keep it, sell it, or give it away. Believe it or not, the rights to that bike are similar to the rights that you get when you purchase a house. Once you find the house you love, you put in an offer, get a mortgage. Long story short, it's yours to do what you please. Keep it, give it away, sell it, leave it to heirs. It's your decision. Title is basically the legal rights to the property. Notice I never said anything about paperwork when I was talking about title. Title is merely the concept that the house or the bike is yours. Title is not a tangible or a physical document. It's more like a concept that represents who has the legal claim to the property. What is tangible or palpable is the deed to the house. The deed is the physical document that shows proof of ownership. We use a deed at the closing to transfer ownership from the seller to the buyer. It's best to think about the deed as an instrument used to transfer ownership from one party to another. It's best to think about title as the owner having a bundle of legal rights to the property. Okay, so let's answer a few quick questions just to review what we said in this video. Number one, what document will be transferred at the closing showing proof of ownership? The deed. The deed is transferred at the closing. That is proof of ownership. Number two, what allows the owner the freedom to do whatever they please with their home? Title gives the homeowner the rights to do whatever they please with their home. Title is not a document but a concept that says the owner has certain rights to their property. They own it. And then number three, what is in a bundle of legal rights? A title gives the homeowner the rights to possession, control, exclusion, enjoyment, and disposition of their property. That is what is in the bundle of legal rights. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and share.